Find this connector that connects to the main cable. This side of the connector has 5 wires that are black, blue, yellow, green, and red. On the other side of the connector, there are 5 wires which are black, white, orange, blue, and red. Be careful not to find the wrong wire. You can align the color of the wire to find. Find the orange line and the red line for the short circuit. Be careful not to connect the wrong wire. This is done by touching the metal of the orange and red wires with the tip of a metal tweezer, respectively. Then check that the scooter is energized and the voltage log is energized. Again, be careful not to connect the wrong wires.